If you've ever taken a photo and noticed those dark corners caused by lens vignetting, don't worry, you can fix it quickly right inside GIMP. In this video, I'm going to show you how to brighten photo edges in GIMP using a simple built-in filter. So you can even out the lighting and make your image look cleaner and more professional. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy photo editing tips. Alright, let's jump in. First, open GIMP and load the image you want to edit. You can do this by going to File, then Open, and choosing your photo from your computer. Once the image is on your canvas, take a moment to look at the corners. If they appear darker than the center, that's usually a natural lens vignette, and it's very common in photos taken with certain cameras or lenses. Now, to fix it, go up to the top menu and click Filters. From there, move to Distorts, and then select Lens Distortion. This is the tool we're going to use to brighten those edges without having to manually paint adjustments all over the image. When the Lens Distortion window opens, look for the Brighten slider. This is the main setting that controls how much exposure correction is applied to the outer areas of the photo. Slowly drag the Brighten slider to the right. As you increase the value, you should see the darker corners start to lift and blend more naturally with the rest of the image. If you notice that the slider doesn't seem to be doing much at first, there's a useful trick you can try. Suddenly lower the edge parameter by a small amount. Even a slight adjustment can force the filter to recalculate how it applies to the borders of the image, which often makes the brighten effect start responding properly. You don't need to make a huge change here. Just a small nudge is usually enough. As you adjust these settings, keep an eye on the whole photo, not just the corners. The goal is to make the lighting feel balanced and natural. You want the image to look corrected, not overprocessed. If the edges become too bright, simply reduce the brighten amount a little until the transition looks smooth. Once the corners match the rest of the image more evenly, click OK to apply the filter. GIMP will process the effect, and your photo should now have much more consistent lighting across the frame. At this point, zoom out and inspect the final result. If the vignette is still a little visible, you can repeat the process and make small adjustments until you get the look you want. The key is to work gradually, because subtle changes usually give the most realistic result. And that's it. You've just learned how to brighten photo edges in GIMP and fix a natural lens vignette using the Lens Distortion filter. It's a simple technique, but it can make a big difference in the quality of your photos. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more GIMP editing tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.